In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Dnssec with Cloudflare. This process is essential for enhancing the security of your domain by ensuring the integrity and authenticity of DNS records. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, look for the domain for which you want to enable Dnssec. Selecting the correct domain is crucial, as these settings are specific to each individual domain you manage under your Cloudflare account. Once you've located and selected your domain, the next step is to navigate to the DNS settings. You'll find this by clicking on the DNS tab in the Cloudflare dashboard. Once there, scroll down through the options and you'll come across a panel labeled Dnssec. This section is where you'll initiate the process. Now, you'll see the option to enable Dnssec. Go ahead and click the Enable Dnssec button. What this does is it prompts Cloudflare to sign your DNS zone. As part of this process, Cloudflare automatically generates a delegation signer, DS, record. After Cloudflare has done its job, you'll want to expand the DS record section. Here, you'll see a series of values that Cloudflare has generated for you. These values include the key tag, the algorithm, which is usually set to alg13, the digest type, and finally, the digest itself. Each of these pieces is crucial for communication between your domain and its registrar. The next step involves copying these values. You'll need to head over to your domain registrar's control panel, as this is where you will input that DS record. This essentially informs your registrar of the Dnssec details and ensures that the transition is smooth and secure. Once you've successfully published the DS record at your registrar's control panel, the ball is back in Cloudflare's court. Cloudflare then begins to detect the newly published DS record. You should notice the status update to active within a time frame of about 10 minutes to 2 hours. This time variance is due to the different caching periods and refresh rates across various registrars and regions. Congratulations, your domain is now Dnssec enabled. This means you've added an extra layer of security that helps prevent certain types of cyber threats, like cache poisoning and man-in-the-middle attacks. I highly recommend that you perform a verification check to ensure everything is configured correctly. Tools such as DNSviz.net are particularly handy for this purpose, offering a visual representation and thorough analysis to confirm that Dnssec is properly instated. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to enabling Dnssec with Cloudflare. Remember, taking steps like this to secure your domain is an important part of maintaining a robust online presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.